Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to path in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create a new empty file. So I click on this one option, and after that I need to create a new body. So I click somewhere here. Then I need to create a new sketch, and I need to select one from available attachments. So for example, I select XY plane and I click OK button. Now I need to go to rectangle settings and I need to select here rectangle. Then I need to draw here a rectangle. You can type here dimensions. For example, I type here 64 millimeters and I press tab and type here maybe 50 millimeters. And after that I press enter. Then the rectangle will be created here. So now we can click close button and we need to click path to create it. After that we need to click OK button, and how you see in this way we have used the path in FreeCAD. So if I helped you to create it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.